In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a funnel in Go High Level in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Go High Level or simply need a quick refresher on how to navigate through the platform to share a funnel, you're in the right place. This task is straightforward and I'll guide you through every step. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once you've got your browser open, go ahead and type Go High Level into the search bar. Hit Enter, and this should bring up a list of search results. You're going to want to select the official website, which should be listed as www.gohighlevel.com, and click on it. Once the Go High Level website loads, you'll need to log into your account. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. Look over to the main menu on the page. Here, you will see a range of options. One of these options is called Sites. Click on it and then select Funnels. This will direct you to a page where all your existing funnels are listed. Now that you're on the funnel page, you should see a list of all the funnels you currently have in your account. Go ahead and browse through the list to find the specific funnel that you'd like to share. Once you've identified the funnel, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see an icon that looks like a share symbol. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. After clicking the share icon, a share link will become visible. This is where you can customize your settings depending on how you want to share the funnel. You will have several options available to you. First, you can opt for the Anyone with the Link option. This choice allows anyone who has that link to access the funnel, making it ideal if you're sharing it outside your organization. Alternatively, you can select the Anyone Within the Company option, which restricts access to only those within your organization. If you ever decide to stop sharing the funnel, there's also an option to remove sharing entirely. And there you have it. That's how you share a funnel in Go High Level quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your marketing assets are correctly shared with the desired audience, helping you streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.